you go upstairs? Maybe come to the door. No, I don't think he's allowed to, but yeah.
He's got to be here.